Alright, so in today's tutorial, we are not really going to be doing too much. We just want to set up our project so we can be able to use the image analytics tool that we are building into our application. So we want to make sure that when we click on this, it can open up whatever it can open up our directory. We just select the image that we want to work with and we should be able to work with it, right? That's what I want us to be able to focus on. But for this particular video, we are just going to set it up. We're just going to be able to set it up, and we are going to be using a pretty popular tool most recently because of the fact that it does compress your images or your media files from how big they are to like the smallest kilobytes they could possibly get to. I mean, for now, right? So what is it going to be? It's going to be image kit. So just quickly search for image kit. So I would say image kit react. Okay, so image kit react, we should see this, right? I just click on this so you can see image kit react. It's here. We just scroll down real quick, and then okay, we need to come down a bit so we see. Yes, so this is what we need. This is what we need here. Then we just come and split the terminal. Okay, I think I oversplitted it because it was not responding, but yeah, just bring this to the side. Okay, now okay, it's here. So what you're going to be doing is I'll just paste basically, and then I'll add the force flag, because this is how we are going to be installing our packages in our React 19, because it's not stable. So yeah, so it should install it just like how we want it to. So while it's installing, what we want to do is we want to set up a few things. Okay, so we want to make sure that we have the public key, right? You can see that this is the URL endpoints that the URL endpoints, and then the image kit public key, right? So in order for us to be able to do this, we have to get to the dashboard. Okay, I guess you have to get to the dashboard, so we can try searching image kit, and we should. So I'll just click on image kit, and yeah, so for that, let's try. I think I already have an account. I don't remember where exactly. Okay, I think it will be on another email, so I'll just try to log in with this one and to see. Okay, so we are getting into the dashboard. Okay, so we are just going to select software. I don't know. I'll just select everything. Just go for it. Okay, so this is select your. Okay, so I am in Africa, so I would looking at this, just select Europe and go for it. Okay, so now that we have our image kit dashboard here, we need to get our details, right? We need to get the details that we need in order for us to be able to uh, upload or use our image kit inside our normal application. So let's come to the developer options, and then as you can see here, we have the URL endpoint that we can just copy from here, and then we have this one, right? Okay, so let's just take the public key. Apparently we are going to be using the public key on the client side, and then we use the private key also on the server side. Okay, so as you can see, if you scroll down your React, you should see that this is how you're going to be applying your context. And yeah, this is how you're going to be applying your context, right? We are going to see more of it inside the documentation. So it's the documentation that we are going to be following to implement this, right? So yeah, let's quickly just set up our envs. I'll just copy this public key right here. Okay, then we'll come to our project here, and let's quickly set up our env. Okay. Oh yeah, I made a mistake here. I had to I had to change directory into front end before adding that. So let's quickly copy this and then do rf node modules, and then package lock and also package.json. So package lock.json and package.json. Okay, so all these are going to be worked on. So you can see that they just got deleted. I'll just cd into front end, then I'll just paste this one more time. So while it's being added, what we can do is I'll just go into the front end here and then create an env file. So create the env file. Okay, we already have an env file, so yeah, then we can come here and store the public key. So store the public key, say image kit or image kit public key, image kit public key, and then we just paste this. Oh yeah, we have to go back to copy this public key, and then we'll come back here. Oh yeah, we'll come back here to paste that. Okay, so yeah, we now have our public key. It looks like we have, okay, let's not mess anything up. Store this inside the string so we know we are safe, right? So yeah, that's basically it for now. We'll be going into the back end, and then we would if we're going, so yeah, you can see that this is the URL endpoint. If we like, we can add the URL endpoint to it, right? So we can but it's here, we can just copy, can just take this one, sorry, you can just go up a bit, take this one and copy and then use it if we want to, right? So yeah, you okay, let's just do it. Or it's not necessary right now, we will do it, just and you're just going to have to wait for the next video. So as you can see, yeah, the documentation is here and how everything works. Okay, so yeah, hopefully in the next video we would be implementing it from the back end, and then we'll come and integrate it into the front end so you understand how everything comes together. All right, yeah, see you in the next video.